Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today we've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I can't remember exactly what's in here, but I recognize the name on the front. It says Knife Life. I'm sure there's more information on the inside. Thank you so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and some other benefits, there's of course a link right down in the description. Your support would mean the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alright, I've got some extra cards covering up some personal information on the outside of the box there. I'm just going to make a very odd cut into the corner of the box so that I don't have to turn it around, because there's more information on the other side that I'm sure the sender wouldn't want me sharing to my audience. And it is definitely about time to sharpen that scalpel. Just about. There's a little life left in it. And we have a pouch right here. There we go. That is that's heavy. Let's bring the exposure up just a little bit. Let me take a look at this note real quick. You guys probably already know what it is because you've seen the thumbnail. Oh, hey, Metal Complex inside. As you can see, it's a Strider SNG DGG. Thanks for reviewing it. Look forward to seeing your thoughts. Love the content, man. This one's a beauty. Also, special note, this Strider was what I carried when I proposed. Oh, okay, cool. Awesome. All right, and then he's got a YouTube channel and Instagram as well. So I'm going to show you guys here real quick where you can find that. YouTube channel is Knife Life, and Instagram is k.knife_life. Knife Life in parentheses. So there you go. Give him a follow and check out his YouTube channel. Always good to support other YouTube channels. Okay. This is definitely the first time. Is there something? Oh, no, wait a sec. What's this? We got two. Oh, yeah. I've actually, I believe, reviewed this one. This is a cool knife. But, yeah, I've reviewed that one. But I appreciate you sending it anyway. The real magic is going to be this guy right here. The DGG is something that I'm going to have to study. Boy. Oh, here we go. Man, that is wicked cool. I review knives on this channel. You know, I give a full review of a type of knife once, and then if it is an interesting variant, even if it's something like this that is almost impossible to acquire. I know people get really upset with me for showing stuff like that. I can't help it. There's certain things I just want to look at, right? I can't give you any links for this, which means my channel benefits nothing for it. This is the knife person in me, the enthusiast in me that just really wants to look at cool stuff. And you know, part of what I want people to come to my channel for is just to, you know, look at cool knives. Sometimes, you know, this is just as unobtainable for me as it is for anybody else other than me. You know, I'm handling it. But, like, yeah, this is an extremely expensive and very difficult to come by knife. And even the people who are willing to lend them are not usually willing to give them up. That's besides the point. But I just really wanted to look at this. Look at the finish on this. Oh, my goodness. This is wild. Love Strider ergos. Big fan of Strider ergos. We've talked about this before. I love the golf ball texturing too on the titanium and on the G10. Very, very sweet. This is definitely not a version that I have ever seen. In fact, even picture. I don't know that I've even seen one of these in pictures. That is absolutely wild. I'm sure it made for a beautiful thumbnail. Oh boy, very cool. We'll do an overview video on that at some point in the very near future. But I think as of you know, for today, that's going to be pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this short little unboxing, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.